How to fix Facebook consent friend request problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the source icon and search for Facebook. Now click on search and make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you update, go back to your home screen and open up Facebook. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on Help and Support. Now click on Report a Problem. Now tap on Continue to report a problem. Now tap on Don't include. Now select the category. Find friend request. Now describe the issue. Also upload the screenshot of you not being able to send the friend request. Once you attach that, tap on the send icon and wait for some time until Facebook support team will help you out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.